Here at Cheshire College, we use an online system called Pay My Student, which makes applying for financial support quick and easy. You can apply for financial support as soon as you receive your offer to study at Cheshire College. You'll be sent a student number with your offer letter, which you'll need to use to access Pay My Student. When you register, please make sure that you do not include the 2 zeros at the beginning of your student number or the email that follows the numbers. Once you have registered, you'll be sent an activation email. This email will contain a link to the Pay My Student login page where you will then be able to complete your application. You can also access Pay My Student on the financial support page of our website. The application form can be translated into a language of your choice. The first page of the application requires you to check the information we have on the system is correct and confirm which campus you will be studying at. You then need to answer a few questions about your circumstances. Your answers to these questions will go towards determining your eligibility for funding. After answering the application questions, you'll be told which documents are needed based on your criteria selections. Here you can upload your evidence. Please make sure that all evidence provided is complete. You are then asked to provide bank details. This is so that any refunds or direct payments can be processed. The final stage of applying provides the opportunity to check all of the information is correct. It's important to remember to tick the box and sign your name if you agree to the statement at the bottom of the page. Then you're able to press Submit Application. We aim to contact you within 15 working days of receiving your completed application to confirm whether you qualify for financial support. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our financial support team using the bursary@ccsw.ac.uk email address, or visit the hub next time you are on campus. We're happy to help.